Okay, so now we want to wire the light. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove power to our board, remove power to our microbit. Okay, then we're going to take our USB cord, we're going to plug it in through this bottom wire here, or this bottom hole. Okay, and now we're going to be plugging into P8. All right, so for P8, we want to make sure that the jumper is at 12 because this is a 12 volt LED. So we're going to take it out, put it into 12 volt. Then we're going to connect the leads into our board. So for pin 8, it's going to go into out, the voltage or the red wire is going to go into out. And then the ground wire is going to go into common. Okay, try to pull both of those out to make sure that they're in properly. Then you should be good to program it. So now that the LED has been wired up to the PCB board, we want to write a code to turn the lights on and off. Eventually, we're going to have these lights turn on and off for a 12-hour increment. But for the time being, we're just going to have them turn off and on for a few seconds just to verify it's working before we do the calculations to determine how long they'll be on and off for. So this will be in its own forever loop. Then we're going to go into digital write. On digital write out. Okay, and we plug this into pin 8, so we're going to change this to pin 8. Then we want to have a pause. Show how long that light's going to be on. And then we want to have 2 of these. So we can right click and say duplicate. And then right click on pause and say duplicate. Okay, and we want this top one to be 1, this bottom one to be 0. And then we're going to change our time frame to 4 seconds. So 4,000. So this is going to turn on and off our lights for 4 seconds. So let's download that. We will turn off the lights. So there it is, off. There it is, on. Okay. So we'll go to off and on. Awesome. So that works. Let's go ahead and program that. Okay, so now that we have it programming to turn on and off for 4 seconds, we're going to change our time a little bit here. All right, so I'm going to pull up my calculator. Okay, so we want this to go for 12 hours on, 12 hours off. So we're going to say 60 seconds times 60 minutes equals 3,600 seconds. Okay, so we want to do this for 12 hours. So we're going to say times 12. So 12 hours is 43,200 seconds. So we're going to change this here to 43,200 seconds. So now when we hit download, this is going to keep it on for 12 hours, off for 12 hours, which is the time growth cycle of our plants. So let's go ahead and program this.